Hello everyone. Today, we're discussing a crucial topic that every parent and guardian needs to be aware of: the hidden dangers in our homes that we often overlook. Recently, a shocking incident in Bristol has brought to light a serious issue: the danger of laundry pods to young children. In a quiet Bristol home, a family's everyday life turned into a nightmare. Kelly Spampinato faced every parent's worst fear when her 1-year-old daughter, Millie, suffered severe injuries due to a common household item, a laundry pod. Millie, like many toddlers, was drawn to the colorful laundry pod. Her curiosity led to a terrifying accident when she squeezed the pod over her face, causing immediate harm. Hearing her daughter's screams, Kelly rushed to aid Millie, quickly realizing the severity of the situation. At Southmead Hospital, medical professionals worked tirelessly, rinsing Millie's eyes and neutralizing the chemicals. The following days were filled with anxiety and uncertainty. Millie couldn't open her eyes, and the skin around them was sore and damaged. The family clung to hope as they waited for her recovery. After days of treatment and care, including the use of special eye drops, Millie finally opened her eyes. It was a moment of immense relief and joy for the family, marking the beginning of her recovery. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the dangers posed by everyday items in our homes. Laundry pods, while convenient, contain harmful chemicals that can cause serious injuries, especially to young children. As parents and guardians, it's our responsibility to ensure these items are kept out of reach. Kelly now stores her laundry pods in a high, locked cupboard, a simple but effective way to safeguard her children. Millie's story is a warning for all of us. Let's take the necessary steps to protect our little ones from hidden dangers in our homes. Thank you for watching, and please stay safe.